All right.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening. I'm
Good
Shrishti,
evening.
and we're really excited to
Hi
have you at
Srishti, and you
Diva.
are
Diva.
Deepa. Okay, it's Diva. Hi Diva.
We're really glad to have you here today.
Thank you.
Yeah. As we have few students with us who are here to observe the meeting, and they will also ask you questions. So we're really
Okay,
excited to
great.
have your insights today, and we're really excited to learn a lot from you. So
I look forward to the same. Thank you. Thank you so very much, and to every other person who is sitting out there in the room. And I cannot say hi, good evening to all of you as well.
So let us start with our first question. Can you tell us a little about yourself and your journey so far?
Well, to begin with, my name is Hina Azad, and I come from an army background. My uncles, they have served in the Indian Army. My mother is a criminal lawyer. We are a very amazing nuclear family, and from the very beginning, I can speak of, we have been people who have been changing and defying the obvious in our family. So my mother has been the first criminal lawyer from her native town, Badot, Baghpat. My father is the first man to join the Indian Army, coming from a business family. And my sister happened to be the first engineer to go ahead with and pursuing the career of engineering. So I believe it was natural for me to pick up something which was not common, and hence I went into pageantry. So that is one part of me. Apart from that, I'm qualified as an engineer. I have done my studies from Rajasthan. Um, and along with that, I've worked in Infosys, which is one of the topmost world-class MNCs of the world. I've given 7 years there. I have worked both the sides, be it on the development, which is the client-facing side, as well as the personality development, which was about the soft skill training of Infosys. In both the cases, I have received excellent awards and I have received the outstanding performances. That is about my professional side. Well, when it comes to my hobbies and most importantly my dreams, I've been an ardent believer of you have to dream big and then make it happen. So from a very young age, I have been people are aspirant of IITs and then engineerings and medical. Well, I have been a Miss India aspirant and I have pursued that dream. I've worked upon it, and I'm extremely grateful when I look back and say that I won the title of Miss Glam India in 2016. And later on, I won the most prestigious award of modeling that takes place in India. That is, I won GladRax in 2017. So that's a little introduction about me.
That was so we're really excited to learn so much from you. I want to ask about how did you overcome your stage fear? Like you have previously in your articles, you have told like you have done debates and hosting events and volunteering in Spike Mark. This, like, how did it? These things helped you? In what manner?
When you pick up something, let's say when you people, like you girls are young, you all students are inspiring, and you're aspiring for some or the other thing. When you feel that you're not good at something, what do you do? What do you
So,
do?
so we can be better in it.
You work on it. Correct. You work on it so that you can so that you can be better at it. So when it comes to stage fear, my first stage appearance for a speech competition was when I was in fourth standard. It was a debate competition and it was on conservation of tigers. I went ahead, I started with the poetry of William Blake. It goes like tiger, tiger burning bright in the forest of the night. What immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry? That was the beginning of my speech, and these were the only 4 lines I could narrate. After which, I forgot the entire speech. The entire crowd, my school was looking at me. I was standing on the stage, blank, wondering what am I supposed to say next? Because I have memorized the speech and I could not recollect out of nervousness. And I failed in that competition. Rather, I became an example of what needs to be avoided over nervousness. Why? Now, when you say, how did you overcome the the stage fear? The first thing ever to ever make happen is you don't give up. The race is not against anybody, whether Sakshi is doing better or whether Diva is doing better or any other person doing better. The competition was, is Hina Azad herself doing better from what she was? No. So when I went ahead in my standards and studies, I once again took up the opportunity. You have to be shameless to fail. You absolutely have to be shameless to fail. You cannot have a bubble reputation in your own head that I am supposed to excel in one go itself. Secondly, there cannot be any person better than me. Thirdly, the world is too idle sitting to bully me all the time. No, the world is very busy. Everybody is very busy. And if you happen to think people will remember that I could not speak well, then people will also remember that you did not give up. So, first thing, in order to ever give up on your, you have to overcome your stage fear, or I would rather say any fear for that matter, is you understand why you want it. The competition is always against yourself. And thirdly, at least you are trying there. People out there are just sitting and making assumptions. Let them do their job, you do yours.
I think that will really help us in our future. I can say about myself that will really help me because I am also like it's with the best of us. We go on stage and then we forget, and then we think it's the end of the world, end of our career or whatever. So we're like, oh no, everyone's
Yeah.
gonna remember. For example, I once used a curse word on stage. It was my first time, and I was so nervous I forgot, and I ended up cursing on the mic, and that was so embarrassing for me. But I did not give up, and I went ahead and did more of those. So I think this is very inspiring for people. When they hear this, I think it's gonna be a great advice for them. So the first thing is to not give up, and the world is too busy to care. So thank you very much for that.
And lastly, let's just have an understanding. Even if they remember you, let them remember you. You did something. Do you remember them? What were they doing apart from making fun? So you are already attitude wise way ahead of them. Your mindset is way ahead of them. Habits and mindset is not something that comes within a day. It builds up with time. The ones who are busy mocking will end up doing the same. The ones who are busy building will end up being something in their life.
I think that is a great point to be noted. It's a great thing to say. Can you advise for students who are really suppressed by the feeling of embarrassment?
Mm, okay. When embarrassment. I believe I come from a place and time of generation where these words never meant anything. For us, reputation was having the best of the kites, best of the colors, best of the pens. So, embarrassment about what exactly? Have you done something so remarkable that your name would be remembered? Or have you done something so unacceptable that your family would be insulted by you? No, right? So, what is the embarrassment all about? You have self created an image of your own. I am so and so. Great, lovely. And I am meant to be something nice. Something nice. Define that something. Because any person you're speaking of, or any person you're quoting an example, are the result that they were too focused on being who they are. Embarrassment really doesn't have a time. If you are really focused and if you really wish to be something, you cannot have the time to worry. I'm feeling embarrassed about the people who would not look important in the next years. So, if in case still if bothers you, I'll give you one simple tip what you need to do. When you're standing in public, and let's say, um, sometimes it happens when you are attending a function and you are lesser dressed as compared to the other people, and you feel, oh, I'm not having the right attire. They are dressed really well. I'm like looking less, maybe low. They might judge me that I don't come from a very financially cool family and all those things. Ask yourself this question. Firstly, how long is this going to bother me? One day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, or a lifetime? You will realize within 1 week this is going to fade away. Okay. Secondly, How important is this event, person, occasion for me? Fine, they are feeling about whatever, but is this equally important to me or not? Thirdly, have I tried the best in my capacity to be my best here? Yes, I have. Then great. I know no person in this world who has not won when they are confident of who they are, they know how to smile, and then they can think right. No person. It's Mother Teresa in a sari, or Gandhi ji in a dhoti, or Nehru in the Nehru jacket, or our given prime minister who has come from a very humble background of being a tea maker to becoming the prime minister of the biggest democracy of the world. It's always in the mind of what you decide what you want to do. So ask yourself, is this what I'm going to be in the next 1 year, 2 year, 3 year? And most importantly, are these set of people going to be important to me? Do they really matter to me? Does their existence will matter? Most of the time you'll say no. You are bothered about the people you don't even know of. You don't know their background story, you don't know how real are they. You don't even know even they are struggling the same kind of embarrassment in their mind. You
That's right.
never know that. So if only people could be open enough and they would say, and you will realize they would rather say, I was embarrassed about being such a thing. Or maybe I envy Sakshi, how come you're so confident? Right, fine. I may be dressed in the best of the attire, but I wish I had your confidence. Or I wish I had Diva's smile. The way she's so always smiling and she handles the situation. People, you really don't know. So let's not be too quick in judging ourselves. Embarrassment will not be a problem then.
Thank you so much. That is really going to help a lot of people. Because usually, as I already said, when someone gets embarrassed in front of so many people, they usually don't want to go there again, try again because it was so embarrassing and oh, people will judge me. But I think we really shouldn't think that way. We should maybe try again, and next time maybe they will remember me for doing so much better than what I did last time. So I think that is really
Sakshi,
important.
before you want to be remembered, this is very important to each and every one of you sitting. Choose the people who hold importance for you. You
Yeah.
would want to be remembered by your parents. You would want to be remembered good by your teachers. You would want to be remembered good by maybe even your friends. Do you want to be remembered good by X and Y Chintu who is working on Instagram and posting comment on your image? Does it
No,
even matter really? Even if they're coming and venting out, oh, you are looking this, oh, you could have dressed better, oh, you could have spoken better, you mispronounce a word, does it even matter? वो चिंटू अपने घर में किस बात पे परेशान होकर के यहाँ पे फ्रस्ट्रेशन उतार रहा है, वी डोंट नो इट.
yeah,
So
that's
before even you get into a thing that I am feeling embarrassed, please ask these questions. जिस इंसान के सामने मुझे embarrassment फील हो रहा है, क्या ये इंसान इंपॉर्टेंट है? क्या पहले मैं इसे अच्छे से जानती हूँ? दूसरा, ये इंसान मेरे लिए कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है कि ये मेरे बारे में क्या सोचता है, मुझे इस बात का फर्क पड़ना चाहिए. तीसरा, हैव आई रियली ट्राइड माई बेस्ट टू बी द बेस्ट? इफ यू हैव डन एवरीथिंग, move on. It doesn't matter, you've got a lot of things to do in your life.
thank you so much. Now we have some more students here who would like to ask questions from you.
Sure.
There they are. Hi,
Ah, sure. Hi.
my name is Navya and I'm from sixth standard. So my question
Hi,
is,
Navya.
what do you think is the most important thing in life?
Hmm. Navya, firstly, the question is very amazing. Thank you. It's a very deep question. Are you comfortable in understanding English, or would you like me to answer that in Hindi? You're comfortable with English? Again, English is a language. It does not define standard whether you are intelligent or not. इट इज़ जस्ट अ लैंग्वेज. मैं यही बात हिंदी में बोलूँ, मैं यही बात मराठी में बोलूँ, मारवाड़ी में बोलूँ, ये इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. बात इम्पोर्टेंट है. ज़बान कुछ भी हो सकती है. सो आई यूज़ बोथ इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी. योर क्वेश्चन इज़ व्हाट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इन लाइफ? Am I right, Navya?
Yeah.
Navya, the most important thing in life is what do you think about yourself? And I tell you, as a woman, as you will grow, you're a very beautiful young girl. And I'm 34 years old. And for all the years that I have lived, for all the achievements that I have made, for all the things that I have done, be it in academics, being the topper, be it in my organization, be it in winning the titles, at the end of the day, वो सारी चीजें आपके नाम के साथ जुड़ती हैं. तो it is very important for a woman especially to know her worth. हम बहुत जल्दी दूसरों के ओपिनियन ले लेते हैं. तुम सांवली हो. भारत में किसी भी लड़की के रंग को लेकर के उसकी सुंदरता का वर्णन कर दिया जाता है. तुम सांवली हो, तुम लंबी नहीं हो, तुम थोड़ी दुबली होती, तुम्हारे बाल थोड़े घने होते, तो तुम अच्छी लगती, पढ़ाई में तेज बनो, लड़कों जैसी बनो, लड़का मत बनने की कोशिश करो, अपना ख्याल रखो. तुम्हारे नाम के साथ और चीज़ों के साथ बहुत जिम्मेदारियां और रिश्ते जुड़ते जाते हैं. और उनमें बेहतर बेटी बनने के लिए ये चीज़ मैंने जब लड़कियों से बात करी थी. अच्छा चलो बहुत सिंपल सा सवाल पूछती हूँ. इस रूम में जितनी भी लड़कियां हैं, कितनी लड़कियां जो अपने पापा का बेटा बनना चाहती हैं? अगर आप अपने पापा का बेटा बनना चाहती हैं तो हाथ उठाएं कि मैम मैं अपने पापा का बेटा हूँ. क्या आप हैं? किसी ने भी हाथ उठाया? गुड. आज से 3 साल पहले मैंने अराउंड 150 से 200 लड़कियों के साथ एक सेशन लिया था. और मैंने उनसे पूछा था आप में से कितनी लड़कियां अपने पापा का बेटा बनना चाहती हैं. उन सब ने हाथ उठाए. फिर मैंने लड़कों से पूछा कि आप कितने लड़के अपने फादर की बेटी बनना चाहते हैं. मैंने कहा हम क्यों बेटी बनना चाहेंगे. बेटी बनना कमजोरी की निशानी हो गया और बेटा बनना ताकत की. और ये नजरिया गलत है. कहीं ना कहीं लड़कियों ने ही इसे प्रोत्साहन दिया. तो इसलिए नव्या, जिंदगी में जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है वो ये है कि तुम अपनी वैल्यू करो. तुम ये मानो और ये समझो कि तुम सबसे अच्छा डिजर्व करती हो. तुम किसी से कहीं कम नहीं हो. और अगर कोई चीज अभी नहीं मिल पा रही है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम कम हो. थोड़ी मेहनत बढ़ाओ, थोड़ी स्ट्रैटेजी लगाओ, और सबसे बड़ी बात ये पूछो मुझे ये क्यों चाहिए. इससे मुझे क्या फायदा होगा, मैं क्या निकालना चाहती हूँ इस अचीवमेंट से. जैसे ही तुम्हें वाई समझ में आएगा ना, आपकी मेहनत अपने आप बढ़ जाएगी और आप जीत जाओगे. और अगर नहीं जीते, बाय चांस उस चीज में नहीं जीते जो तुम गोल करके चल रहे हो, तो तुम्हें कुछ उससे और बेहतर मिलने वाला है. और ये कहने की बात नहीं है, ये होता है. पर सिर्फ उनके साथ जो मानते हैं कि वो सिर्फ बेस्ट डिजर्व करते हैं. सो एज अ गर्ल, एवरी गर्ल, और फॉर इवन फॉर एनी चाइल्ड, लड़का हो या लड़की हो, यू ऑलवेज नीड टू बिलीव कि तुम सबसे अच्छे हो. दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन लाइफ.
Thank you so much. Anyone else wants to ask? Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
If you have to take an idea of the room, we have sent you a video in WhatsApp.
If you have to take an idea of the room, we have sent you a video
I'll
on WhatsApp. You can, yeah, you can check it out.
sure, sure, I will.
नाम बता देंगे अपना.
Oh wow.
My name is Kavya, and I'm going to ask a question to you. And the question is, how did you felt when you were selected as the main beauty pageant? It's okay. Tajir. Sorry.
Okay, okay. I'm sorry I missed your name. आप अपना नाम वापस बताएंगी
Kavya.
please?
Kavya.
Kavya. Hi Kavya. Thank you for the question. And how did I feel? Um, I was completely silent in the moment. I was neither like wow, I was neither like oh, why? Because it came unexpectedly. When I was standing in the final, when the results were to be announced, there were three girls standing. So, as per us, ascending order one, two, three. The first ranker, the second ranker, the third ranker. You always see this system taking place in the school. So, I was put on in the queue, I was standing on the third position. So, I was a little heartbroken that maybe I did not win again, and I'm the second runner up. That's why I'm standing at the last. So what it started announcing second runner up, first runner up, and winner. So by the time I was announced winner, I was like, okay, mathematics gone wrong here. Being an engineer, my first thing was, I should have not thought about this academically. I should have thought
Um,
it how pageants work. So I was like, this is first reaction. Then I walked to the stage and I was extremely happy because I have been working on winning. Like my hard work to win that title had been since seventh standard. सेवेंथ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं घर पे एक पाप ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बल्ब फिक्स कर रही थी और मुझे मेरी एल्डर सिस्टर ने कहा था, हिनो तुम लंबी हो, तुम्हें ना पैजेंट्स में जाना चाहिए। तो मैंने तैयारी तब से शुरू करी थी, तब से मैंने पब्लिक स्पीकिंग को और सीरियसली लिया था क्योंकि मैं पहले हार चुकी थी फोर्थ में। तब से मैंने अपनी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग को और लिया था कि नहीं, हारे भले बट जीतना है आगे चल के, तो अभी काम करना होगा। तो
ये
जब मैं जीती थी उस टाइम मुझे किसी ने कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं कहा। मेरे दिमाग में बहुत कुछ था, मुझे था आज मैं पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की सारे स्किल्स लगा दूंगी, मैं विनर स्पीच दूंगी, पर मुझे किसी ने कुछ बोलने नहीं दिया। लेकिन आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी एंड टू सी द रिएक्शन वंस यू विन, वंस योर माइंड सेटल्स कि हाँ आप जीत गए, आपके सर पे ताज होता है, आपके हाथ में आपके गुलदस्ता होता है, और फिर जब आप अपनी फैमिली की तरफ देखते हो वो मुस्कुराते हैं, वो बहुत सेंटिमेंटल पल होता है। आपको बहुत खुशी होती है कि आज आपके नाम से वो जाने जाएंगे, आज तक आप उनके नाम से जाने जाते थे। तो दैट रियलाइजेशन वाज बिगेस्ट थिंग फॉर मी।
Thank you for your time and have a nice day.
थैंक यू।
Okay. A student who would like to ask you a question. And also, I would like to correct you. My name is Shrishti, not Sakshi. So,
Oh, I'm so sorry, Srishti.
it's okay.
Perhaps it was
It's
due to
okay.
network that it was. So sorry. But and thank you for correcting me. Thank you.
Sorry.
Hi. He's so cute and handsome. Hello.
My name is Mel. मैं in class में हूँ।
थोड़ा नेटवर्क इशू आ रहा है, सो आप थोड़ा सा आराम से बोलेंगे ताकि मुझे परेशानी मतलब मुझे समझ में आप क्या कह रहे हैं।
My name is Anmol.
मोहन।
Anmol.
अनमोल। ओके, you're अनमोल। हाय अनमोल। And your
Next,
question?
I have two questions for you. You,
Yes.
what is the most important lesson you have learned through your career?
Most important lesson. Repeat it after.
What is your most important lesson you've learned throughout your career?
What is the most important lesson that I have learned in my career? Um, Anmol, three things I have learned in my career. एंड मैं जब करियर की बात करती हूँ तो मैं पैजेंट्स भी बात कर रही हूँ, और मैंने जो इंजीनियरिंग में इन्फोसिस में काम करा है मैं उसका भी आपको ओवरऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, क्योंकि वो एक माइंडसेट बनाने के लिए, एक लाइफस्टाइल बनाने के लिए, मतलब ओवरऑल उसका असर आया है। तो जो तीन चीजें मुझे लगती है व्हाट आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट आई हैव लर्नड इज, पहला, आप जब कोई अचीवमेंट हासिल कर लेते हो तो वो एक्चुअली एक स्टेप बन जाता है नेक्स्ट अचीवमेंट के लिए। आपकी कभी जो जिद होती है ना आगे बढ़ने की, वो थमनी नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट्स द ड्राइविंग फोर्स। अगर आपने आज गोल करा था कि मुझे मैथ्स में लेट्स से 80% लाने हैं, 80% आ गए ना, ग्रेट। अब इससे तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए कि यार मैं ये कर सकता हूँ ना, तो अब मैं इससे बड़ा गोल बनाऊंगा। वो होना चाहिए, वो आपकी लाइफ को पर्पस देता है। और जब ये पर्पस की क्या जरूरत है, लेकिन मैम ये पर्पस की इसलिए जरूरत है क्योंकि फिर तो आप लोग इस बात पे परेशान नहीं होगे कि दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है, कोई मेरे बारे में क्या बात कर रहा है। आप इतना ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व होते हो कि आपको लोगों का फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लोग कौन है ये आपको मैटर नहीं करता। डरबी में जब घोड़ा दौड़ता है ना तो उसके साइड में ब्लाइंडर्स लगाए जाते हैं, इसलिए ताकि वो ये नहीं चेक करे कि साइड में कौन है, वो सिर्फ गोल पे नजर रखता है, वो दौड़ता है और जीतता है। जो लोग इस तरह से चलते हैं कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, वही जीतते हैं। और जीत में मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी कि हमेशा कोई बहुत बड़ा टाइटल होना चाहिए, हमेशा आप जो पहले थे उससे बेहतर हो, ये जीत है। तो पहली चीज ये होती है। दूसरी चीज जो मैंने मेरे करियर में सीखी वो ये, बात कम करो, ऑब्जर्व ज्यादा करो अपने आसपास। हमेशा लोगों को समझो, वो क्या कहना चाहते हैं, वो क्या कर रहे हैं, और उसके बाद खुद को समझो कि आप यहाँ खुश हो, अच्छे से हो रहा है या नहीं, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, और उसको कम्युनिकेट करो। और जो मैंने तीसरी चीज सीखी है अपने लाइफ में और अपने करियर में, वो ये, हमेशा ग्रेटफुल रहो। आप कितने भी परेशान हो, आप कितना भी हार चुके हो, आपको कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा, उसके बाद भी जिंदगी में ऐसी बहुत सी अच्छी चीजें हैं जिसके लिए आप हमेशा धन्यवाद दे सकते हो। आप देख सकते हो, बहुत से बच्चे देख नहीं सकते। आप चल सकते हो, आप जीवित हो, आपके पास टीचर्स हैं, कपड़े हैं, खाना है, मम्मी पापा हैं, बहुत कुछ है। तो कभी भी जिंदगी में आपको ऐसा लगे कि नहीं, ये कम रह गया या मैं कम रह गई, कुछ और अच्छा हो सकता था, तो याद, हमेशा हमेशा खुद से एक सवाल करो, पर मैं फिलहाल दिल से धन्यवाद भगवान को किस चीज के लिए दे सकता हूँ या दे सकती हूँ। आप जिस तरह से इस तरह से खुश होना शुरू करेंगे ना, आपकी मुश्किलें आसान हो जाएंगी, और या फिर उन मुश्किलों से लड़ने की हिम्मत मिल जाएगी, रास्ता दिख जाएगा। सो तीसरी चीज है, हारोगे भी और डरोगे भी, ये है, होता है। लेकिन उससे बाहर निकलने के लिए सबसे पहले सीखो कि हम अपनी जिंदगी में हर चीज के लिए जो अच्छी है उसके लिए धन्यवाद दें।
Thanks.
ये
Okay.
3 चीजें सीखी हैं मैंने।
And one more question is, you said many events. And so, do you remember some events which you held it?
Anmol, you have to, and Srishti, can you please help me understand Deva and
Memorable,
Srishti?
yeah, memorable moment on the stage you've had, or any event you hosted which you remember because it was special or something like that.
The most memorable. Okay, I was not expecting that question. The most memorable. Um, it was this recently, here, right now. So I last year won the Best Speakers Award all over India. This is from professional speakers, and this is the most impactful speaker award. I believe it's visible now.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Right. So I won this title, and the the topic the topic of the thank you so much. So the topic was, how is communication important in life? And I won it because firstly communication is very close to my heart. And if you really look back, हम जब से आए हैं, इंसान का जब से एग्जिस्टेंस हुआ है, तब से लेके आज तक हमने कभी केव्स में लिखा है, हमने कुछ टैबलेट्स बनाए हैं, हमने किताबें लिखी है, ग्रंथ लिखा है। सो सम वे और द अदर, हमारी जितना भी डेवलपमेंट हुआ है, आप साइंस की फील्ड में लें, आप आर्ट्स की फील्ड में लें, आप इकोनॉमिक्स की फील्ड में लें, आप कोई भी फील्ड ले लें, उसमें कम्युनिकेशन ज़रूरी रहा है, क्योंकि आप आगे अपनी बात कैसे पहुंचाएंगे, वरना एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन तक। सो दैट वाज माय टॉपिक, and I was competing against the best speakers of the nation, and I won this title. And the prize was handed over to me by the ex Chief of Army Staff, General Bikram Singh. So not only was it a very big day for me to win, but also to receive that award from the hands of some person so remarkable, जिनका खुद का करियर ग्राफ इतना स्ट्रांग रहा हो, जिन्होंने खुद ने देश की इतनी सेवा करी है, मेरे लिए उनके हाथों से प्राइज लेना और ज्यादा, लाइक ऐसे ना, और ज्यादा इज्जत महसूस होना और अच्छा लगना. सो दैट वाज द मोस्ट मेमोरेबल टाइम ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग एंड इवेंट दैट आई हैड इन माय लाइफ.
I think a day like this is something all of us would remember.
हाँ, indeed.
Last 10 minutes.
Last
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you, Anmol. Thank you so much for your questions. Hi. Hello.
When did the ones in red on?
You are loud.
No, what's this? How can you define happiness in your own life?
Hmm. Defining happiness. That's Mr. Rathore. इतनी छोटी उम्र में हैप्पीनेस के ऊपर सवाल, आप तो ऑलरेडी इतने हैप्पी हैप्पी हो.
लेकिन यही तो क्वेश्चन था जो कि मम्मा ने फाइंड.
मम्मी ने लिखवाया था ये क्वेश्चन?
क्या है?
ये क्वेश्चन किसने लिखवाया इनको? आपको यही सब
मम्मी।
एक बस सृष्टि मैं पहला नाम नहीं समझ पाई, पहला नाम क्या है इनका?
विवान। विवान।
विवान। विवान, आपको क्या सवाल पूछना है मुझसे? आपको कुछ भी लिखवाया था मैं उसका भी जवाब दूंगी। आपको कोई सवाल पूछना है मुझसे? कि क्या मैम बड़े होकर के सच में फ्रिज में आइसक्रीम्स और चॉकलेट्स भर सकते हैं? ऐसा होता है?
ये सब चीजें
You know, sorry for
ओके।
interrupting. He is very much into geography. Like, he know all the countries, all the capitals, all the mountains, entire world. So extra
वाओ!
intelligent. Ah.
ओ माय गुडनेस!
So ma'am will ask you
सो
10
आई टेक
countries and you
दिस
have to tell capitals.
10 कंट्रीज। पहले मैम को उतनी कंट्रीज आने चाहिए और उनको खुद को पता होना चाहिए। कब अगेन विनीत, आप किसी को टेस्ट पे रख रहे हो तो उससे पहले सामने वाले की क्वालिफिकेशन तो देखो उस चीज के लिए। मैं क्वालिफाइड नहीं हूँ इतने इंटेलिजेंट इंसान से सवाल करने के लिए। ओके मिस्टर राठौर, कैन आई हैव योर क्वेश्चन अगेन प्लीज?
My question is, my question to you is, define happiness in your life.
Defining happiness in my life. Ah, um, well, it's an emotion and a mental state that I consciously choose, Mr. Rathor. There are days, I will not deny it, there are days where even I feel low, I have self doubts, where plans don't execute or work the way I have expected. And so it becomes difficult to believe in the good. It becomes difficult to believe in myself. But when I reflect back, when I reflect on these things, I later understand that unless and until those difficult situations will exist, I will never outgrow my own mindset. I will never outgrow my own capacities. I will never understand that there are immense opportunities and possibilities. So, happiness is a state I consciously choose. Now, how do I create happiness around me? I do little stuffs like I read about good things that have taken place in the world. My inclination towards getting happiness and inspiration is reading the history of India, especially the Indian independence struggle. Because when you read about the freedom fighters, you will realize that they were very young, be it children, be it the youth. They were hardly 18, 19, 20, and they were working against the Britishers to make India free. So you look at their life of what they have lived, and it's their sacrifices on which we are existing today as a free nation. That gives me a sense of happiness that first, we come from a very, very great and rich country. I'm a part of it. And then it also thrills me with the sense of responsibility that now you have to do something good enough to build up and continue the legacy. Happiness, therefore, is something I create in my mind. I read to do so. I play with my dog. I drink milk. Drinking milk makes me happy. That's what I do. And definitely, when I get an opportunity to speak with wonderful children like you all, I never miss it because that makes me extremely happy.
Oh, great.
Thank you.
Can we rejoin it after this?
Hina,
Yeah,
Hina, we will have to resend you the link again. Like it's a 40-minute limit and we are about to reach. We'll send another
sure.
link in just a minute.
And we'll join. Sure.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.